my glass houses. This morning for our PrayXercise, we're going to be doing some floor exercises. We're going to get down on our knees and we're going to send up that praise and we're going to tone up this body. Especially floor exercises are great for developing your abdominal areas. So let's go. Are you happy, my glass houses? You should be. 2, 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't strain your neck. Look down just about in front of that floor. Breathe. And I think that's 20. So let's just stretch it back. You can stop when you're tired. You don't have to go at my pace. Go at yours. So now we're going to do some planks. So come up, press that heel back, relax the neck, and you're going to feel that vibration in the abs. Come on, suck that ab in and breathe. It looks easy, but it's hard because you have to keep that body vertical. Suck that air in to burn that fat. Come on, we're burning abdominal fat this morning. Press the heel back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it back down and stretch it out. My belly's groaning. I'm hungry. All right. So now we're going to go into the sprint. So let's just move your cushion. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, breathe. Hold the head down. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is an over 50 sprint. You notice we're not going high tempo, but we're going enough to burn that fat. Come on. We're over 50. We're not spring chickens. So we're not going high tempo. Come on. Hold the head down. All right. Bring the knee down. We're done. And press it back. Breathe. Catch your breath. So we're going to go into our resting exercise, which is that on your knees. And we're going to that. So we're resting because we just get the heart rate up to 1,000,000. So let's bring it back down. But while we're resting, we're not rusting. We're tightening that butt. And you can go up, out, variate it. You're not seeing it. How do I turn? See, you see? So we go up to the side, right? Up, then out to the side. Up, out to the side. Come on, we're tightening up that tushy. Not because we're 50. We don't want sagging tushies. Come on. Press it up, out to the side. Up to the sky, out to the side. Up, out. Come on, we need 5 more of these. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So we're coming back. Get your cushion because we don't want to get our knees dark. So make sure to use your cushion to kneel on so we keep those knees nice and clear. So our next variation, let's push that back. We're going to go into the downward dog kicks. So let's come up, downward dog. Let that head on down. And we're going to go 1, 2. Do you see that? Pushing the leg up. 4. Kick it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come down to the knee and stretch it out. Breathe, catch your breath. there you go, my glass houses. That was a 5 for 5 floor PrayXercise. So I'll show you the 5 moves again, all behind each other. So you can do them for as long as you have time. You can. So the first move is your push-up. You do 10 to 20 of those. Your next move is your plank. Hold that head down, press the heel back, and you hold 2 sets of 10 at least. You come down. Your next move is your, was this the one? Yes. Push up and then out to the side. Your next move was your downward facing dog. Come on up and kick it, and you do at least 20 of those. Am I missing one? Yes, we're missing the sprint. Another move was the sprint. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's your 5 for 5. And that's why I call it 5 for 5 PrayXercise, because you get 5 variations of the same move to burn that bottle. So get your floor exercise going and tighten and strengthen. Not just tighten, but it strengthens your core. All right? Until next time, guys.